Insurance PLC, we get what we call an enhanced third party, which we call a motor flex.
Okay.
So for third party cover only damage. Like if my motor now, if I'm the insured, if I buy insurance from an insurance company, and if my motor damage third party property, or maybe the motor jam person, so the only thing third party fee cover now third party property, the person with my motor will jam, or the property with my motor will jam.
Okay,
so why comprehensive?
This one now, this package now, not be all about motor alone. If you use your motor, go destroy person property, you no go fit cover your motor, but you go cover that property.
You will cover that property where my motor damage. So na third party do that. And that name implies.
You no matter the amount of the property, you go cover them.
It no matter the amount, but it get limits. No, it no matter, but it get limits.
Okay. All right, continue.
So the limit for make I quickly run through. So the limit for that third party for property damage, if my vehicle damage another person's property, the limits are 3 million naira.
Okay.
And if injury or to any other person, injury or death to person, so we go cover medical.
Okay.
And also.
Okay. All right, continue.
So why we get comprehensive way? Yes, so why we get comprehensive way if we cover my own vehicle and third party. So comprehensive cover will cover my vehicle and it will cover damage will happen where my vehicle cause to third party and also third party injury. Okay. So now the difference between third party and comprehensive be that.
Okay.
So on that one, the rate we dey charge for that one is 5%. 5% of the value of the model.
For comprehensive.
Yeah. For comprehensive.
Okay. All right. Continue.
So for motor third party fire and theft, so we get third party fire and theft too. So third party fire and theft cover third party, and it also cover my vehicle if fire damage them or if theft happens to my vehicle.
That's my own vehicle where I insure. That's the vehicle
my own vehicle where I
do the insurance.
Yeah, the vehicle of the person will do the insurance. So you only cover two things. You only cover if fire damage them and if theft happens to them.
Okay.
So it only covers third party liability too.
Okay.
Why for motor flex?
2 in 1.
Yes, not 2 in 1.
Yeah, because you know, third party now. The first third party now for only the third party, the person where
now for only the third party, the person where damage himself.
But this one now,
so this one now have
the person.
Now for me and the person, but waiting we cover for my own vehicle now only fire damage and theft.
Okay.
Now the difference with that. Okay. So the only thing we cover for my own vehicle now fire damage, if fire damage and if the farm.
Okay. All right. Apart from these two, which other one we get again?
I don't mention comprehensive now. Comprehensive covers my vehicle.
Yes.
Irrespective of any damage we have to and third party.
Okay.
So we now have one now what we do for a GNI. We call that motor flex.
Okay. So
motor flex still cover third party, and it also cover my vehicle up to the tune of 100,000 naira for damage.
Oh. Why be saying now only third party now they chopulate pass for all this motor insurance matter? Now third party now carry for head pass.
The reason for motor insurance actually now for third party liability.
Oh.
So if we trace them back to the history of insurance, the reason why we have a third party, maybe say third party common for all of our motor insurance, we say that back in those days, people would just drive recklessly on the road and damage property, damage everything, and they just leave people hang and hopeless. So now the reason why government just look into it and say that you must have a third party cover minimum so that you will drive well, you will drive reasonable.
Okay.
So now because of the way third parties are being affected, now why we just ensure that at least the person must have a third party motor insurance.
So when you drive, you go know say okay, if gbege happen to another person for my own fault, my mind dey at rest say my insurance company go fit take care of am. We don talk about third party, we don talk about comprehensive, we don talk about third party fire and theft, we don talk about motor flex wey be say this one na GNI special package. Any other one dey for ground wey we go?
GNI special package.
Any other one dey for ground wey we go like?
No, I don't talk about comprehensive. I don't talk about phone now. I don't talk about third party.
Yes.
I don't talk about third party fire and theft. I don't talk about comprehensive. I don't talk about comprehensive. And I don't talk about motor flex.
Okay. So all these
Let me say like GNI package.
Yes. All this package now, if person won't collect now to collect everything, you get how person go collect everything in one, or you got to get them one by each.
If you have everything in one.
Okay. And if
you don't need to do third party, you don't need to do everything one by one.
Okay.
If you want to just do comprehensive.
And you cover everything. Comprehensive.
That one now yes, now everything be that.
Okay.
You go cover third party, you go cover fire, you go cover theft, you go cover all damages.
All right. So if I want insure my car, what will be the things where I got to get apart from say I get motor and I sure say na my motor? What will be the other things where I got to show for the insurance company so that I go feel insure myself and the third party?
Documents now.
Yes.
You're talking about documents.
Yes.
You go give us the motor particulars, your vehicle particulars, and you go fill KYC. Now it is mandatory that anybody will want to do insurance with us now. You go fill KYC form. All they give us is BVN and NIN,
okay,
which it must be included.
Okay.
So you go give us the motor particulars. You go give us your utility bill.
Okay.
You go give us your valid ID card.
Okay.
And you will tell us how much you buy the vehicle. So the value of the vehicle, you will tell us that how much I buy the vehicle is the receipt of your purchase receipt. You will give us, because now that we go calculate the premium we go charge for the vehicle.
Okay, may we not confuse ourselves now. If I don't buy motor, you know, say as we did now, things they increase every day. And I don't buy motor like 3 years ago, and I don't get this idea of, you know, insurance. And as I the year I'm now, I won't go insure the motor. Now the price where I buy them 3 years ago, now I go give you all the actual price where they sell them now.
The actual price where they sell them now, because motor don't increase. Cool. The market price don't increase.
Okay. So
the parents say, oh, now the amount where I buy new at that time be this. So, but when I check the market, I don't see the price don't increase.
Oh, okay. All right. Another question on this question they come from Kemi from Bagada. He talks say person give me motor and the person no dey country again. I go fit insure the motor because the paper no dey for my name.
When go do change of ownership now?
Okay. So once you don't do change of ownership, if he insure,
so you go insure in their name.
What if the person no dash am? Maybe the person travel out, you know, they country. Just tell us to make it they use the motor, and depending on the time when you go come back, you understand, and you just feel so okay. I dey use this motor every day. Make I no go use enter gbese. Make I kuku insure am. The person no dash am, but she feel say she want insure am. You get anywhere where she feel go about am?
I feel sure, but if anything happen to the vehicle, you no fit claim from us.
Oh, because no be her name.
Because no be her name, and she not be our clients. Maybe she pay premium. So now the person will pay premium for us. Now the person will come claim from us.
Now she pay now.
So if she use the vehicle, if she will drive brother's vehicle now, very fine. But if anything happens to the vehicle, it's only the brother that will claim from us, not the person with the driver.
She okay. All right. Apart from all these benefits, the peace of mind way, if I insure my motor go give me, get any other one where you think say you go like make people know?
Yes, another benefit where people feel get with their insurance, with their motor, if their motor damage, we say insurance also cover cost of towing, which many people don't they overlook. For example, if your vehicle damage and you carry them from one place to another, so if you call towing vehicle and definitely insurance go pay for that.
And it dey for all the package.
So
I mean,
maybe
your package different.
no, e dey for comprehensive.
Ooh. And people no know am.
E dey for comprehensive, dey for third party.
Wow.
People don't know am.
Wow. Now don't hear.
So but we get limit.
Okay, wetin be the limit?
Because we get limit because we calculate if you want to vehicle from within Lagos or from Lagos to Ibadan. So you know the price varies. So the amount where they will charge for interstate different from intrastate.
Okay.
Different.
And you get how many times so have you told my vehicle for inside my insurance package what I do? Maybe 4 times a
year. If you don't go up to that limit, don't finish.
Oh, even if now one day I finish my limit.
If you don't go up to that limit, so the limit has been exhausted. So
now don't go give me jaka.
If you get more money.
I'm the first timer now. That the first time they blow my motor.
You pay more premium.
Wait, make I ask this question. Insurance no they do giveaway like this year or this month so we want to give away for we client so na whatever way na go do this month na free. Any gbege wey happen na free. You no go come out for na package. That kind giveaway no dey dey.
No dey. If you do am, we done in our customer service week.
Yeah.
If you do something like that, we appreciate our customers. So we do something like that just to encourage customers to keep patronizing.
All right. Time not today on our side. We don't reach the end of discussion. But before we go come out, 1 or 2 words for people wey dey outside there. If you say, I beg Jare, I dey very careful with my motor. I sabi drive. I don dey drive for the past 20 years. My tire never go down before. I never get accident before. Nothing don't ever happen to me. 1 or 2 words to people wey dey outside there. If you say insurance, not today important like that for them.
Insurance is very important. Most importantly, motor insurance is compulsory. So you know if you say that if you don't get accident, you can't insure your vehicle. No. One of the things we should have in mind is number 1, motor insurance is compulsory. In fact, our president has made this even compulsory to have at least third party for anyone way they drive forward. And also, you can't say that nobody they pray for accidents.
Of course.
So the accident will happen anytime. So I've had instances where person will tell me say, I don't insure my vehicle 2 years or 3 years or nothing happened. I won't stop. I will advise them say, no stop. So it is that year where they stop, something not happen. So, why did I stop? So like I said, we know they pray for accidents. We know they pray make accident happen. But it's also good to be you value your property. I will advise that you insure them.
All right. Thank you very much. And the voice of the person who I done the year now, Babatunde Asunlegun from General Business Department of GNI Great Nigerian Insurance PLC. And we don't talk about how motor insurance fit give you that better peace of mind. We guarantee when we say nothing they shake them at all. Thank you very much, Babatunde Asunlegun, on top this one where you do with us this afternoon. All right.
Thank you.
So you will come your way next week, Friday, God willing. GNI on go show face again. But right about now, we dey carry our kaya, the waka come out about not go anywhere. Lunchtime waka is still they come, they enter for this micro thing. In the few minutes, we dey come back. My name is Temitope Peterside. Now, good afternoon.